No. Got it. Try again.
What am I exactly playing? So it's dun, 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 dun.
Ready? This time I'm actually, I'm filming already. I never remember when I started. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's my fault. Yeah? And I didn't say. So yeah, again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now I know that, and now I understand.
Some of the time I was on the beat and some of the time I was off the beat, and I knew I should be off the beat, but I was getting lost because that is not my strong point, off the beat.
Okay, yeah.
On fucking Chicago.
This one, go for on the beat. Sounds weird because they're playing on the beat as well, so if you fall on the beat, do that's off the beat, but there's so many other people playing off the beat, then playing on the beat's not a crime in this song. That makes any sense?
But I did notice that when I successfully got off the beat, it sounded better, I thought.
Yeah.
But I need a bit of a reminder of how the fuck to do it. Ah, fucking hate.
It's a hip pocket.
Yeah.
Yay!
Any other instrument, I'm fine.
Tuba.
Right.
Okay, well, it's a work in progress.
Alright, one last one. Just the accident, by accident you started doing the chorus fast and the verse slow, it sounds so much better. So, fast chorus, ay, ay, ay. chilled out verse. Once round.
Super.
Does that mean we come
Is that
straight in
just
with
the
the...
surgeries or everyone?
You come straight in with the bow.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, right.
So yeah, this time play on the beat for now. We'll work out off the beat.
But I was doing full on in the verse and not in the chorus. So now that have you changed that?
No, you went full on in the verse, they went full on in the verse with you, and it
Yeah.
sounded better.
Oh, full on in the
The
verse.
beginning we had full, we
Okay.
went the other way around, so we went full in the chorus and not in the verse, but that was the last one.
So which two?
That sounds good. Chorus full on, verse not
Okay.
full on.
So when we're starting,
Yeah,
you're going full on straight away.
actually,
But then
no.
a bit-
Straight away, no full on. Let the verse happen. When the next chorus comes, then go full on for a little bit.
In the verse or the
Oh,
chorus?
fuck.
So this is what we do. We come in, chilled out. There'll be but ignore it, chilled
Oh,
out.
that
We come
one.
to the verse, chilled out.
No.
Next verse, it's so like, ah! Next verse, chill out. Next chorus, yeah!
It
Top of
starts
the-
with the chorus.
Yeah, so starts with the chorus,
So, but we ignore that one.
ignore that, chill out. Let everyone expect it to be chilled out. I would say this on camera, it's chilled out until it's alright.